Hello everybody, today I will show you how to see if your hosted network has started or not. To see that, then go to start and write cmd. Now here, click cmd.exe, but remember to open it as administrator. Then you will see this box. Now in the box, you have to write netsh VLAN show hosted network. And there you can see my hosted network has not been started. So thank you all for watching my video, and if you like the video, please give it a like. And also subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications to get more updates and videos. Also, if you faced any kind of problems doing this, then comment below and I will help you if I can.